Good morning, guys. Nick here with Impeccabilities. We're in our receiving room. This morning, I want to show you a quick update and improvement to our receiving department. So as we're stacking garments, typically we'll have a press proof along with it. So we have all the counts on it. It tells us if it's going to be a fold and tag or a live proof. So when it requires a live proof, that means that we need to pull a large and we're going to run a large out there, and we're going to send it to the customer to make sure that it's what the customer is looking for. Make sure the color is good, the placement is good. So when it does say that it requires a live proof, what we're now going to do is we're going to take one of our larges, because large is the size that we use for proofs, and we're just going to simply take that large and set it on top. So that way, when the operator comes in looking for a large to run, they don't have to dig through the stack, to try and find, oh, well, here's where the larges are. Pull one of those out and mess the whole stack up. So it's going to eliminate a lot of motion, a lot of excess transportation, defects, waiting, over processing, things like that. So what you're going to want to check is just to check to see if it's got a live proof. If it does require a live proof, go ahead and set a large on top. If it does not, you're good to continue to stack. Thanks, guys.